Today, we are here to attempt for the Maxis IoT on the smart agriculture for productive plantation. Problem statement 3. We plan to use the NB-IoT for indoor grown mushroom. The urban agriculture is for the preparation and solving the future issue on food supply chain. For example, the limitation of land, extreme weather change which affecting on the crop produce and harvest rate. We are now to figuring how to solve it. My old man used to say mushroom can be found after rain. So we have conducted some research to understand mushroom growing condition. There are 3 key factors which are temperature, humidity, and airflow. From the research and study, we have our solution, which to imitate and control the mushroom growing condition indoor by using Maxis NB-IoT solution to optimize use. We have planned for the system flow. First, we collect the temperature, humidity, and CO2 data using sensors. After that, the data transmitted to the internet via Maxis NB-IoT to Microsoft Azure, where data stored and processed. After data analyzed, signal will be sent back to the Raspberry Pi and to trigger the relay for fan, aircon, and humidifier. Meanwhile, we can access and monitor data through any mobile devices. To find out the feasibility of this concept, we have crafted a demo dashboard and getting review from the industry. The outcome is fascinating with compared to the traditional method, mushroom grow 2 times bigger, 3 times heavier within the same period, with no pesticide required. With the Maxis NB-IoT solutions, we are targeting to find the smartest solution to implement precision agriculture. The system can be auto-run and work with less maintenance, less manpower, but more efficient, so that we can improve and increase yield and harvest rate. In addition, we can decide when to grow and when to harvest. Thank you for your attention.